Hello everyone, welcome to our first virtual gingerbread house demonstration video. Today we're going to show you how to make your gingerbread house at home. On December 12th, we will provide a gingerbread house kit and Santa Claus will be here. We hope to see you then. Okay, in the supply kit you will receive pre-cut graham crackers, icing, and an assortment of candy. Okay, before we get started, I want to explain some of the items we have in front of us. The first thing we have is the icing, and it is in a quart-size bag. And what you will do to make it come out is you're going to cut the tip off. And the next thing we have are the graham crackers. And I'm going to point to what they are. This is the front and the back of the gingerbread house. These two pieces will be the sides, and these two pieces will be the roof. And also over here you have candy, and you can use this candy to decorate the gingerbread house any way you would like. Okay, the first thing we will want to do is cut the tip off.
Once you have cut the tip off of your bag, you now have turn the bag into a piping tool for your icing. The icing will act as a glue for your gingerbread house. So the first thing you're going to do once you have your icing ready for piping is take one of the fronts or backs of the house. Once you have grabbed the front of your house, you're slowly going to start frosting the very edge of it. Make sure to use a good amount of frosting since this will be acting as our glue to help stabilize our house. So the more stabilized it is, the more candy you can add. So you're just going to do the edge of the cracker. Doesn't have to be perfect by any means, just so it's got a good amount of frosting on it. And then you're going to take one of the sides and just gently press it in. This will help form a nice little corner. And then you'll take one of the other square graham crackers and press it to the side as well. This will help create our walls. Okay, so now what you'll do with your icing is frost the very top edges of your walls. And then you're going to grab the back of your gingerbread house. And just like we did the front, you're just going to frost it along the edges of the cracker. And then we're going to gently wiggle it in between the two walls where everybody meets. This part will get very messy, but that's okay. That's part of the fun. And just make sure they're gently pressed together. And that frosting is touching all edges of your lovely gingerbread house foundation. So the next thing you'll do is grab the last remaining graham crackers and frost those along the edges. And then gently angle it and tuck it in the top. Put the last piece on there, you just make it meet in the middle. Keep in mind, some of the houses will have, you can't see it very much on this one, but they may have a gap do not worry about that. That's totally fine and normal. That's actually a great opportunity to then take your icing and decorate the very tip top of your house. If you've come to our events in the past when we've done gingerbread houses, you'll notice or remember that we had them always very decorated at the very tip top. This is also a great place to put your candy whenever you start decorating. So once you've got it all built, you can kind of look around, see if you see any spots that you think need a little extra frosting, or if you just want to decorate it with frosting in certain spots. As you can see, we've now started decorating with our candy. And like I said, you can put candy on the top, you put it on the side, you can plop frosting wherever. And then you guys can just decorate it however you like. We do encourage you guys, if you do complete this project with our supplies, we would love to see pictures of it on our Facebook page or Instagram. Just tag us and we would love it. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, any of our regulars, you know where to find us. Have a great day.